So my daughter was having an issue with her current newer generation Mazda, and if you put your hand on the air vents, you don't really feel much airflow coming out. And I'm hearing a lot of excessive noise coming from behind the glove box, which is leading me to believe that the in-cabin air filter is clogged and dirty and needs to be replaced. That's why I can hear the system making excessive noise and I have no airflow coming out of my vents. Well, you shouldn't be hearing that much noise from the fan. So if you guys are curious how to replace the filter yourself and save a little bit of money versus paying a dealership, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So go ahead and lower your glove box. You've got a couple little tabs up here on either side. You can just attach that all the way, and then what you're going to be replacing is the filter, which is right up here in the top. So you got this little tab. You just lift up on that, you can pull the filter out. And guys, you can see how dirty this is. This is like 90,000 miles on this filter. In comparing them, you can see just how dirty it was and how it was restricting the airflow. So let's get the clean one in. And I'll have a link for this filter on Amazon, the exact one you guys need. So just slide it right in and you'll hear it click. So now it's in the position. So now that that's replaced, let's turn this up. And I would say that's pushing out like 3 times the amount of airflow from the vents now, from what we had before. The filter I installed in today's video, that's specifically for the Mazda 6, the Mazda CX-5, the Mazda 3. If you guys have any of the other cars in the Mazda lineup, I'll have filters for all the different models linked in the description. And we live in Arizona where it's like 100 to 110 degrees pretty much all summer every day, so you need good airflow for your AC to work. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, hit the thumbs up on the video, subscribe, and leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
My name's Madison, this is my Mazda 6, and I love my new window tint.